Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing and review of OPPO F17 smartphone. So here you can see this is the box of OPPO F17 smartphone. Now quickly open it. Okay. So here in top we get the phone. Here you can see we get the phone. Here's some highlighted feature over there. You can see ultra sleek leather feel body, 30-watt WOOC flash charging. It is OLED display, fingerprint unlock. It has in-display fingerprint unlock and AI ultra wide quad camera. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So here we get this small box. A new design, and this is the SIM ejector tool. This is the SIM ejector tool, and inside it we get the reading manual, warranty card, and this is the transparent TPU case. This is the transparent TPU case. If we talk about the touch and feel, this is the premium quality transparent TPU case. Okay, keep this aside. And this is a really good thing. We get the premium earphone with this phone. This is a really good thing. We get the premium earphone with this one. And here we get, let's see, here we get the USB type C to USB cable. Here you can see we get the USB type C to USB cable over there, and this is the big charger. I would like to say this is the big charger. And if we talk about its output, let's see. So guys, here you can see it will give you 5 volt 2 ampere or 5 volt 6 ampere maximum. So it is a fast charger. This is the fast charger you get with the phone. Okay, now keep this aside and come to the phone. Here's the phone itself. Now remove its plastic cover. So here you can see this is the phone itself. This is a navy blue color. It also available in dynamic orange and classic silver. And guys, the feel is of really leather feel. I would like to say the feel is really very premium. It is supreme. The feel of this phone is supreme. I would like to say you that the feel of this phone is supreme. And here's the, you can see the branding design of OPPO. Here you can see this is the branding design of OPPO. Okay guys, I would like to inform you it looks really premium, and this is really sleek phone. I would like to inform you that this is really sleek phone. Here you can see very sleek. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the main microphone, and on this side we only get the power on off button, and on bottom we get the main speaker, USB type C port, and this is the secondary dual microphone, and this is the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and on this side we get the volume up and down and SIM tray. Now quickly eject the SIM tray and see what specification we get out of it. So guys, this is a really good thing. It supports dual nano SIM card with a dedicated micro SD card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. Now keep this aside, and here we can see in back it has quad rear camera setup. 16 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel. And here we get the dual LED flash. You can see here we get the dual LED flash, and in front we get the 16 megapixel camera over there in water drop notch display. Here you can see this is of 16 megapixel. Okay, now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and that's set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 11nm octa-core processor. It has 6.4-inch Full HD OLED Super AMOLED display. If we talk about the internal storage, it has 128.8, 128.6, 128.4 and 64.4 GB internal storage variant available, and it supports dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support. If we talk about the rear camera, it has quad rear camera, 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture front camera. If we talk about the battery, it has a 4015 milliamp hour battery which supports 30-watt VOOC flash charge. And if you talk about the software, it is running on Android 10 Color OS 7.2, and for better security it has in-display fingerprint and face unlock. So here you can see I have set up the device. This is the UI of OPPO F17 smartphone. Guys, I would like to say the display is very vibrant. You can see I would like to inform you that the display is very vibrant. It has 6.4-inch Full HD Plus OLED Super AMOLED display. Okay, so if we slide here, we get the Google updates and Google Assistant feature available. And just go back, and if we slide from top, we get the notification center, helpful quick settings, and brightness adjustment feature is available over there, which is a really good thing. And if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. It is running really very smooth. I would like to inform you the UI is really very smooth. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 128 GB. So if we here go in storage, so here you can see out of 128 GB we get 16.5 GB. Okay, sorry, 16.5 GB used out of 128 GB. You can see, and we can see the storage setting of images, videos, audios, documents, APKs, apps, others, and the system using, you can see the system using 15.60 GB. Okay, now quickly go back, and if we go in about phone, here you can see this is the device name, version, Android version is 10. It is running on Android 10. Just tap on it. Okay, now go back, and if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is of September 5, 2020. And here we see the RAM over there. You can see 8 GB RAM available over there. You can see. And if we talk about the processor, you can see Qualcomm SM6115 octa-core processor, and here we can see the IMI and IP status. Okay, now quickly go back, and now check its camera performance. It has quad rear camera setup. So if we talk about the camera UI, if we slide from left, we get the video and night mode. And if we talk about the video, resolution, okay guys, it takes full HD video. Okay, it records up to full HD video. No 4K video recording is available. It records up to full HD. Okay, now go back, and if we see in video encoding, it is efficient and best compatibility. And if we slide here, we get the portrait, and in more we get the sticker expert, pano, text scanner, extra HD, slow-mo and time-lapse mode available. And if we tap here, we get the frame 16:9, 4:3, 1:1 and full. Okay, and this is the timer. And if we go in settings, so touch to take photo feature is available, watermark is also available, and here we have one more feature, volume button, change it, volume shutter or zoom. Okay, now quickly go back, and if we tap here, we get some filters. You can see we get some filters over there. And guys, this is the AI dazzler color mode. This is the AI dazzler color mode, and here's the HDR, tap to turn it auto on and off. And this is the flash, same for this, tap to turn it off, on, auto and fill light. Okay, now without wasting the time, take a photo and check its camera quality. Okay, so you can see guys, I would like to say camera quality is really good. You can see if we talk about the color rendering, it captures natural color. Here you can see the color rendering is perfect. Little exposure, but the camera quality is really very good. Here you can see, and if we zoom in, we didn't lose the photo details of object. Here you can see we didn't lose the photo details of object if we zoom in. Okay, and guys, this is okay, this is the zoom feature. We can zoom up to 2x, 5x and 10x. 10x zoom is available. Okay, and if we tap here, okay, so guys, this is the ultra wide camera. If we tap here, we get the ultra wide camera. Let's take another photo in ultra wide camera. It captures really very fast. So here you can see this is in ultra wide. You can now take another photo in ultra wide camera. The capturing speed is really very fast. So the ultra wide camera is also good. I would like to inform you that the ultra wide camera is also good. You can see no exposure in ultra wide camera. You can see no exposure. And if you talk about the color rendering, it captures natural color without any exposure. Okay, now quickly go back, and if we go in AI dazzler color mode, let's take a photo, and you can see tap to remove effect. Okay, you can tap here to remove effect. Sorry, just tap on blue sky to remove blue effect in your photo. Guys, I would like to say camera quality is really good. All camera modes are brilliant. No doubt, all camera modes are brilliant. And you can see in spotlight, many are available over there, blue sky and spotlight, and many are available there in my knowledge. Okay, now quickly go back and now fastly check its in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance. It has in-display fingerprint feature available. Okay, you can see fingerprint animation over there. I tap the finger and it unlock. I tap and it unlock. You can see fingerprint animation comes out. I tap, I tap, I tap and it unlock. Okay. You can see I tap and it unlock. If you do like this, it will not unlock. You have to put for some tap like this to unlock the phone. I tap and it unlock. Okay, and if we talk about its face unlock performance, I'm not seeing. I see and it unlock. Okay, do it many times. Okay, look at me and it unlock. Okay, so guys, I would like to inform you both in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance are really very fast and responsive. Especially face unlock performance is really very fast and responsive. And here we get the slide bar. You can see here we get the slide bar over there. You can see in slide bar screenshot, screen recording, file manager, calculator, and we can add more in edit over there. You can see just slide to open slide bar. So guys, this is the unboxing and review of OPPO F17 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest update.